Welcome back to the session on digital marketing. Now we are moving on to the next advanced stages. So, any guesses what we are going to study today? So, what is sparkling in your mind right now? You can see the pictures and guess. One side it is something like SEO, web designing. So, what we are going to do before that, we will recall what we have studied. We have studied about digital marketing. To begin with, we studied about marketing, digital marketing, difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So, we have seen all this, but then we also learned digital marketing is cost effective. Then to do digital marketing, we need to use electronic media like websites, others. Now we will move on to how to design, how to create a website and web pages. So we will see one by one. So before that, we will come to know what are the key terms. We will acquaint ourselves with the key terms involved in this. So a website is simply a collection of web pages. You can say a website is like a book and the web pages are like the pages in a book. Okay, web server is internet connected computer that receives the request for a web page sent to you by your browser. The web server actually hosts, it keeps all the websites, and we use a program called a browser which connects our computer to the server. Server means the web server through an IP address. IP stands for Internet Protocol. Clear? Now we will move on. We know now the key terms. We will move on to still advanced concepts. Actually, in order to a website to be clearly displayed, we need a website which consists of course web pages and a domain name. Don't worry, we will come to know what is a domain name and a server, web server. Okay, we will see next one by one. Website, as I already told you, website is typically a collection of web pages and images and other multimedia elements which are linked together to form a structured document. So, electronic document, that's a website. As I already told you, it's like a website is like a book, and you can visualize web pages are like different pages in a book. So, we create a website by writing one page at a time. So, a web page is written in codes, and these codes describe how that the layout, the format and the contents of that page. The most commonly used language is called HTML. Any guesses? What is HTML? Yes, it is hypertext markup language. So that is about a website. Now, test your learning. A website is a collection of servers, browsers, web pages, or none of these. So, to answer this question, check one by one. Website is a collection of servers. Is it right or wrong? Or browsers? Servers are the computers which host or which keep the websites. The browsers, they are the programs, they are the software, they help us to access the web pages. So, naturally the answer must be website is a collection of web pages. You are right. So, let us recollect what we studied today. A website is a collection of web pages. Okay. Then a server is a computer which is connected to the internet, which receives the request from other we call client computers and serves the desired web pages. A browser is a program or a software which helps us in accessing the internet and the web pages. I hope your things are clear to you. Keep for watching this. Expect next videos from me. I am Dr. Maharajan. Reach us through these social media tags. Thank you very much for listening. Let us meet at the next video.